this is Bindu. Welcome to my channel Creative Tool, which is all about being creative and making creative stuffs. So today's video is all about DIY fashion. Not exactly fashion, it's more like a tutorial, a knitting tutorial. This is my first knitting video, hope you will like it. So today I'm gonna show you how to knit an easy and simple hairband. You know, every girl or woman wants to look beautiful. They are so much conscious about their look, their outfit. They need everything matching, right? So why not a hairband like this or the one I'm wearing? Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this DIY hairband at home. It's really affordable and fun to make. You can make as many colors as you want to match with your every single outfit. Okay, so without further delay, let's quickly jump into the video.
So today we're going to make a DIY crochet hairband. If you're a beginner, then please watch this video till the end. There's something for you. So for this we need two different color yarns. One is gray yarn, another is red. This is 100% cotton yarn. You can choose any color of your choice. And a crochet hook. I used a 3.5 mm crochet hook. You can choose according to your yarn's thickness. A pair of scissors and a yarn needle. First we're going to make a hairband with the gray yarn, and then a flower with the red one. So to begin, first we have to make a knot like this. Then we'll knit chain stitches. Actually I'm making it for my baby, that's why I made 70 stitches. You can make it smaller or larger, it depends for whom you're making the band. Just wrap the yarn around your finger, then knit. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the stitch like this. This makes stitch 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See how it looks. Just remember we have to make a even number of stitches, which is multiple of 2. Okay, see I made 70 stitches. Now we're going to make the row 1. See, in row 1 I'll be making half double crochet starting from the third stitch. See, 1 2 3. We will start knitting from the third stitch. For this I'm just wrapping the yarn around the hook and pulling the yarn through the third stitch. Here we go. We made the first half double crochet like this. See, so we'll repeat this half double crochet all through the chain, all through the 70 stitches. This will make our first row. See, our first row is completed now. Then we'll go to the second row. In second row we have to knit half double crochet in every alternate stitches. First make chain 2, then skip 1 stitch, then half double crochet in second stitch, okay, then chain 1 and half double crochet in next stitch. Repeat this till the 70th stitch. See, row 2 will look like this. The second row is completed. Now we'll go to the third row. So in the third row What I'm going to do is just repeat the first row again. Okay, chain 2 and half double crochet all through the 70 stitches. Now the band is completed. You can make it wider if you want. Just repeat the row 2 and 3 again, or you can keep it just like this. And now we'll make the strings to tie the band. For this I'm making 40 stitches. You can keep the string like this, or you can make a pattern like I'm doing now. I'm doing a single crochet all through this 40 stitches. See the difference between single crochet and half double crochet. And now I'm going to join this by making a slip stitch here. Like this. And now just cut up the excess yarn and tie this. Similarly, make the rest 3 strings in all corners of the band. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a flower with this red yarn. So let me show you how to make this flower. So for this what I'm gonna do is just chain 9 stitches. Now make a slip stitch with the first stitch just to make a loop. See here a space is created. Now chain 3 and we'll make a triple crochet like this 3 times just to make a petal. Not exactly a triple crochet, we'll just do a half triple crochet. So in triple crochet what we do is just wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times like this and pull it through the loops. See, then chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Here we complete a petal. Now again repeat all these things. See, one petal is completed, you can see. We have to make 5 petals here to complete the flower. See, here the flower is completed. Okay. So now we'll attach the flower with the band. If you want a simple look, then keep the band as it is, or else attach this flower with the help of yarn needle for a better look. Okay. I've made a separate video for the beginners who wants to learn the basics of crochet knitting. Please watch that video for the details of the stitches I'm making here. See, our crochet hairband is ready now. Just wrap it around your head and tie the strings and get ready to look beautiful. See, I made a red hairband too. Everything I needed is same. Only the difference is I made 80 stitches here in the red one. We needed single crochet in the gray string, but here in the red one I will need slip stitches. See the difference, how it looks. Okay, now I'll show you how to make the slip stitch. No need to wrap the yarn around the hook, just pull it through the stitches like this. Here we go. So now the band is ready. I have made 2 gray flowers, same as the red one. Okay, here's a bigger one and the smaller one. I joined them together for a fuller look. Just attach this like the previous one. And here we go. We have 2 beautiful DIY crochet hairbands. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. And do follow me on Instagram as Bindu Mohante. Here's the basic crochet knitting video for the beginners. Please have a look. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.